performance was amazing. It was beautiful to see my family and my friends who've heard so much about the film. And because it's been touring in other places and we just hadn't found the right place, it was difficult to have the setting. But we found the Wunika Mukan gallery and it was just the perfect place to have this. I mean, look at the breeze, the air. It was amazing, spectacular. Of course, there were challenges. The first challenge was probably getting sand into the space. It was so difficult to transport so many bags of sand, but sand is an essential material because the performance is part of a whole exhibition. There's the performance, there's the installation, and there's the screening, and all three of them, they work as a trifecta. So it was difficult to have all the parts work seamlessly because, as you know, Nigeria is a special place, and so we had to face some Nigerian factors. But everyone just made it so easy. I think we were also committed. We were also committed to making sure everyone who came here felt like this is a moment they've never experienced before, and I think we did that.
Hi, my name is Femi Johnson, and we're here at Sheila's amazing performance. And it's been a lovely night. I'm really happy to be here. One thing I love about Sheila and one thing I love about her art is how enthralling it is, how engaging it is. It drags the user, it drags the people to be present. One thing I love about her is the intention that she adds to everything that she does. Because with each artwork, with each installation, with each experience, you are called to be more than what you are. And that's what I look for in exhibitions, that's what I look for in installations, that's what I look for in exhibitions. I look to become more than what I am. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Mark and I am from Germany and I'm a traveler, and just yesterday I arrived here in Lagos. As I'm new in the country, it was really interesting for me to see the performance, how the people sing here, how the girls are singing here, and it was for me like a very good impression about the country, and I liked it, and it was a really good start. So, and the girls were singing really good, really passionate, and so it was a great experience for me to start here. That's good.